Hey, tell him his rear end's on a rock. He needs to back up at it. Oh, he's good. Oh crap. Zoom out. That is freaking steep.
Not today.
Ooh.
Not today.
Good, that makes good.
Did you get me on there?
Hey, turn your wheels that way and back up. Oh,
That hill you're about to go up is a nice one too.
There you go.
Freaking carburetors, man. When they get on an incline, no gas gets into them. Freaking stalling out.
Oh.
Yeah. Turn, 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 turn. Turn your wheel.
They make a block in the front. If you walk over the tires and
They told him to back it up about a foot and then get some. Because he's just spinning right there.
You want me to winch?
No, he can make it up this.
No, he can't.
Yeah, he can. Back, there you go.
Oh, shit.
you got it. You're
I
good.
don't know, man. Yeah, if I winch him, he's gonna winch me.
Yeah, we'll have to tie you down to something.
No.
There you go. Into your left, into your left. There you go.
Oops. Well, I'm filming the grass.